Hello, I'm Nick Ferrer and I'm a partner at Adamson Jones. Life as a patent attorney is busy enough as it is. Applying for patent protection in Europe can be time-consuming. Obtaining a competitive quote, selecting the right firm to represent you at the EPO, and dealing with unfamiliar procedures are just some of the concerns you may have. But that's where Adamson Jones comes in. As a firm of European patent attorneys, we are highly experienced in handling the European regional phase entry of a PCT application, and will make the whole process straightforward, reliable and efficient to save you and your clients time and money. Our pct2ep online cost estimator means you can get an immediate cost estimate for entering the European phase that is specific to your PCT patent application. There's no need to email firms and wait days for answers. Just enter your PCT application number, the priority date and the number of pages, and you'll receive your cost estimate in seconds. There's also an option to provide further information, such as the International Searching Authority, International Examining Authority, excess claims, and application amendments if necessary, as these factors can affect the cost. You'll receive an accurate, competitively priced estimate in euros, US dollars or British pounds, so there's no need to worry about calculating currency conversions. Once you've received the cost estimate, you'll be invited to send us your instructions via email or by completing a short form on our website. We can usually process your European patent application within 24 hours of receiving your instruction. The whole process is simple, fast and tailored to your needs. We'll keep everything crystal clear and make sure you have access to all the information you need, whenever you need it. So why not try the pct2ep cost estimator for a test case of your own and see for yourself? You'll find it at our website, adamson-jones.co.uk/pct2ep.